Welcome back to the Sound for More channel. It's Leo speaking. Today I have the pleasure to show you Fast Bundle and in particular Fast Verb from the Fast Bundle collection. Thank you very much to Focusrite to giving me the opportunity to review their bundle. Before I continue, I would like to remind my viewers to subscribe as it helps with growing the channel. Thank you very much. As you can see, the Fast Bundle is products of Focusrite. You can find the information on this URL collected.focusrite.com, where you can find information about what their bundle contains, their prices, the subscription options, and the products that it contains: the fast limiter, the fast equalizer, the fast compressor, the fast reveal, and also the fast verb. For the purpose of this tutorial and this video, I'm going to focus mainly on the fast verb for now. Okay, we are in Ableton Live, and I have loaded a preset from Faceplant, which is an electric piano. As you can see, the interface is quite nice, quite neat, really clear for Reverb. First of all, if you run it for the first time, instead of having a relearn button, you will have a learn button. You click on it and you play. And the Verb would use artificial intelligence to actually determine the best settings for your reverb, which will include also timing. So let's try that. And so in this case, it has set the timing to 1.75 seconds. Here you can set also different profiling based on the instrument you have. I set in this case keys because I'm using an electric piano from Faceplant. Here you can set also if to have a natural type of reverb, a more balanced, which sounds quite nice actually. An artificial one, which gives you a little bit more artificial character. Here you have a mix button. Double click, of course, to go back to the default, which is 30%. Now, in the middle, you have two types of views. You have the fast view and the detailed view. In the fast view, you can adjust the timing. Effectively, your decay in timing. You can adjust the position. And also the width. And you can add a pre-delay as well. Click here and drag. And you add a pre-delay. Now, on the right-hand side, you have three buttons. The one at the bottom is for freezing. The bounce allows to bounce to create more reflections and therefore more complexity on your reverb. And you can see from the positioning of the reflection here on the screen. And of course, you can have also reverse, which gives you interesting effects. Really interesting. Really interesting when you have reverse on. You can snap the tempo. Okay, so in this case, it goes in bits instead of going per second. Here you can choose presets. If you have defined some of them, you can save your preset, and then inside here is where you go inside the options. For example, you can say show detailed view on startup, show tooltips, which really help, use OpenGL, enable the particle, you can take a view and then additional information. In this case, it is set up to myself, as you can say. Now, we have a detailed view here. Click on it, and this is where you can adjust additional parameters. For example, the color. This allows you to make it a little bit more duller or less brighter, depending on your preference. You have a clarity which adjusts the transparency. can add some modulation. You can hear it in the background, and then you have your filter really. So it is quite simple to use, but that is actually quite nice. Instead of having a very complicated reverb, some of them can be actually very complicated. So this is quite straightforward, and it generates the desired effects. I hope you enjoyed the short tutorial, and as always, see you next time. Bye.